My heart belongs to Barahona. What is that ambient noise I hear that falls on longing ear? What ambient sound from sacred ground is that I long to hear? Balmy land, banana trees, dancing in sea breeze, buzzing, howling moped horns, teeming crowds of human forms, and the dearest of those swarming forms belongs unto my love, treasured far above the people as a towering ivory steeple and a lofty granite spire, affection swelling higher as mountains rise around that lovely little town on the southwestern side, near the swelling ocean tide, swelters in the heat of day by idle blue Latino Bay. Residing there, the tender kiss, a warm embrace, elusive bliss of the one to be my bride. Cannot brace desiring to kiss that loving face, nor pining for her loving hands to feel her warm embrace. Greater is her majesty than England's queen in royalty, more enticing her counsel than the words of Socrates. Greater is her countenance than all damsels of the earth, unto the lands beyond the seas, both in decorum and degrees, though arrayed in costly garments, or be held in high esteem. I muse her every word like the clamors of a bird playing music in the morning after nighttime's passive rest. Her speech a tone I'll not forget, sweetest dame I've ever met. I shall return into her land for to seek her loving hand, hold her ever by my side so as to make that dame my bride, lover, confidant, and friend, that we may never part again. My heart belongs to Barahona. My desire roams its lowly streets. Though 1,000 miles away, across the foamy lazy bay, hope is ever resting there in the noonday balmy air and the breezy balmy nights where I found my loving wife. You may offer me the glories of the kingdoms of the world, ensuing wealth and all the comforts it affords, but I'd rather be in Barahona de Santa Cruz than to reign with 1,000 lofty lords. I'd rather be in the streets of Barahona than in a royal castle to reside. I'd rather sit in the sands of its quiet beaches and with that loving lady to confide.
If you enjoyed this program and you'd like to see more, subscribe to this page. Also, please remember to like this video and be sure to share this video with others who could use this information. Finally, you can request a copy of my training workbook, The Layman's Guide to Biblical Preaching, a 7-step plan. Just click on the link below. This indispensable tool will take you step by step through the process of writing each one of your sermons in a clear and easy to understand way. Learn the secret to delivering powerful sermons and lessons today. And as always, for the Layman's Guidepost, I'm Thomas Hardy.